Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to check all your phone specifications with DevCheck application on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search pool type the DevCheck. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait in a few seconds while application installing your device. Now just open this application, and here, as can you see, we got all the information about your Xiaomi dashboard, the hardware, the system, the battery, the network apps, camera, and your sensors. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel.